हे वंडरफुल सीएस स्टूडेंट्स, मेरा नाम है राहुल कुमार और मैं हूं अनअकैडमी एक्सक्लूसिव एजुकेटर coming to you with a wonderful news. I hope that you will like this news and you will get benefited from this. I'm going to tell you one very wonderful information with you. Unacademy is launching Shikhar batch for CS executive students. Yes, my dear friend, you heard it right. India's largest online portal, Unacademy, is launching its new batch for December 21 CS Aspirants, CS Executive Aspirants. And Module 1 is starting from 4th of August 21 and Module 2 is starting from 5th of August 2021. Wonderful news. Sir, what's wonderful about it? So I will tell you in coming few slides. So the first thing is from the 4th August, you will get to see India's top two educators in the name of CS, Amit Vora sir and Rahul Kumar, that is myself, coming to you with these subjects on module 1. 100% comprehensive coverage is there for December exams, my dear friend. And yes, both of them are writers for renowned publications and they will provide the books also in the soft form, and also like you will get the option to buy the book from the publisher with some added discounts. All right, chaliye, the second is 5th of August for the module 2, and here the faculties are Sunil Keswani sir, Sunil Keswani, Iktidar Ahmed, Amit Vora sir, Sunil Keswani and Murdesh Miglani. So these will be faculties. Sir, more amazing is that we are going to finish the course. The target is by October. We will be completing, like for if we are going to start in August, so obviously we had to complete by October. For those who have already started with us on July, we will be completing in September, right? So in the month of October, we will be completing the entire course, and then we will have an option to get the things revised. And yes, leave this up to us. 100% course completion will be there, plus at least one or two revisions will be there, plus more than thousand plus MCQs solved in the class. The amazing feature is you can ask your doubts anytime in the class by chat, and also by raising your hand in the phone call. Like, you don't have to call separately, you just raise your hand and you can start speaking. It's like a virtual live call. And yes, my dear friend, the entire class will be hearing you and you can ask any of your doubts with your favorite educator of any subject जहाँ पे आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पर भी आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, आप उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं सर कि हमारे ये डाउट्स हैं, इसको सोल्व कर दिया जाए, एंड द कंसर्न एडुकेटर विल सोल्व योर डाउट. देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट दिस. ऑल राइट, चलिए. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट अ सेकंड, then we will move on to the sir price part, and what is special about the Unacademy. So the best part with Unacademy is, as I told you earlier, it's 100% live. 100% live, you know, it's like virtually face to face. It's that experience, virtually face to face experience is there. Then you will get the unlimited access to all the recorded lectures, and it's not like that you have to search everywhere here and there and you have to find. These are all organized in just one batch. You have to just go chronologically and you have to access whatever recorded lecture you want to see once more or twice more or thrice more. There is no restrictions as to number of times you watch this. And you know, you can download all the notes which the educator is doing in the class, and every fourth session is going to be doubt solving session. Sir, these are specific sessions for your doubt only, whereas in the live class you can also get your doubts solved, but still when you are practicing at home and if you get any kind of queries, you can come to us on the fourth session and ask your doubts, and then we will be solving a lot of mock test paper so that we can get you equipped for your final examinations of CS Executive. My dear friend, how to get the Unacademy subscription? Just go to Google Play Store or Unacademy, sorry, Apple, what we call it, Apple Store. Go to Apple Store and download Unacademy application. Choose your goal as CS Executive Module 1, Module 2 respectively, and click on Get Subscription. Sir, what about the cost? I will give you a code. The first thing is, this is going to be the one of the most reasonable price in whole of the India. If you apply this code, you will get 10% discount, my dear friends. So if I take 12 month subscription, the cost is 19,000. Don't worry, I will give you combo option also. If you go for 6 months, the cost is 13,000 minus 10%. These are all inclusive of GST. There is no extra charge which you have to give. So suppose if you are taking 6 months subscription, the cost will be coming around somewhere around 11,000 something after discount. Sir, if you go for CS Executive Module 2, the same cost structure, 6 months at 13,000, 12 months at 19,000. You can take that subscription for shorter duration also, but I will recommend 6 months for December attempt. Sir, Module 1 plus Module 2 combo just at the range of rupees 28,000 for 28,000 rupees for 12 months. And again, code RKCA10 will work here also. Works also. 10% discount you will get flat from this price. Sir, what if I have not yet started CS, but I want to complete CS double ET as well as CS Executive on Unacademy platform? Just 24,000 rupees. Go CS double ET plus CS Executive Module 1, code RKCA10, get 10% discount. सर CS double ET along with Module 1, Module 2 सारा हेडक ही सर Unacademy को देना चाहता हूं मैं. 33,000, just 33,000 rupees, my dear friend. And apart from that, 10% discount by using code RKCA10. What else you want in your life? Everything is there. CS double ET plus Module 1 plus Module 2 and everything at just rupees approximately 30,000 or even less. This is one of the most wonderful opportunity which has come to you. Don't let it go and inform all your friends, my dear friend. See you in the class from 4th of August. Bye bye. Have a wonderful CS career ahead. Take care. All the best.